Hey guys, what's going on? I get questions all the time about how to maximize profit in short-term rentals. And I'll tell you a tip that I use when you have multiple short-term rentals in a market. There's a couple things that I do that I'm always testing and trying to maximize how much money I can get per stay. There are things like management fees, and I test these all the time from 99 cents to as much as $25.99. And I try to find that maximum pressure point that I get pushback. And if I get that pushback, then I pull back on the price. So I might have 10 or 15 units in one area, and every one of them has a little bit different management fee that I charge. This is mainly through Airbnb, but you can do it on other sites as well. The second thing that I like to do is changing the minimum stay. How many nights do you require per stay? If I have, again, a number of units, I'll try 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 30-day stays. What maximizes revenue? If you have something that's 30 days and you're not getting any bookings, drop it down. That's the beauty of having multiple listings in one city, because you know what the market is trending. And then if you notice that a certain time frame isn't working, then you can change it. I don't like one-day stays because it's a lot of work for just one day. I'd rather them go to a hotel. But it varies from location to location, and I do have a couple that I will accept a one-day rental, but it's not very often. What I'm suggesting is don't do what I'm doing. Try and test your own model to see what works best. I like to keep my prices extremely high. Every holiday, every big event in town, I'm the highest guy in the market. And then when it gets closer to that event, if I don't rent it, then I lower it. I also like to keep a couple houses at extremely high prices, and the reason is I'm looking for that long-term guest that's gonna stay 1 to 3 months. I like less turnover, less cleaning, less wear and tear on the home, and I can get a maximum price. The reason I like to keep it high is because if I keep it too low, people are gonna book it for 1, 2, 3, 4 days sporadically throughout the month, and then I lose that long-term booking potentially. And as it gets closer, I drop the price. So I might keep a house at $139 a night, which is on the higher end for Charleston. And then as it gets closer, if nothing is booked a week out, then I'll drop that 1 week out. I may drop it as low as $49 a night. It depends. If I have nothing booked in any of my units, then I start dropping the price on 1 or 2 of them, looking for that longer term guest, or even just to fill 1 unit. And if I drop it to $49, let's say, I'm not going to drop it for a month to that price. I'm going to drop it for 2 or 3 days. And then I might go to $69 for the next 2 days, and then $89 for the next 2, and $100 for the next 2, and then back up to $139. So I'm only giving up a few days of income, hoping to get somebody excited about booking, and then they're going to book long term. The other thing that I take advantage of is discounts. You can customize 2, 3, 4 days, 5-day discounts, 7-day discounts, monthly discounts. And I might have a higher rate, but I have a 3-day discount or a 4-day discount. And again, I'm always testing this, split testing. 1 unit I won't have a discount, others I will. I change the price. That's how I maximize my revenue. Remember guys, it's supply and demand. I hope you make tons of money in your short-term rentals. Please place your comments below, and I will address any issues you guys are having in one of my future videos. Like this page, subscribe to this channel. Again, comment guys. If I've been a help, I hope to help you more. I have 30+ years experience in the hospitality industry and real estate investing, and I'm here to just give you guys a little edge against the competition.